So the boat, you still have the boat?
I don't have the boat, but I do have the boat. It's sunk.
Uh-oh.
I got some pictures from a friend of my mast
Oh
above the
my
water.
God. If you were a pizza, what kind of pizza would you be?
I would be the pizza of a magical dough. Because anybody who ate my dough would not suffer from diabetes.
Everybody wants to sit with Kit. Yeah.
Hello everyone, it's Kit Carson here in front of Angelina's Pizza, and I meet the most interesting people in the world right here. And tonight I've got a young man everybody should get to know. Tell everybody your name.
What's up, everybody? I'm
Everybody.
here. My name is Isaac Joseph. How you guys doing out there?
We're doing good. What are you up to tonight?
You know, tonight I'm lucky. I'm blessed. I have the opportunity to hang out with a really, really nice friend of mine and spend some time, walk around Duval Street, just
Act like a tourist for a change?
that's exactly what I'm doing. And it's okay, isn't it? It's nice just to fall into that because, man, who cares?
It's playland. It's make-believe.
Right.
You know,
If look, for a second I'm a tourist, and the next thing you know, I'm coming here getting your veggie slices on a regular thing because we know.
and then you got to be responsible tomorrow.
And we got to be responsible tomorrow. That's right.
That's not
right.
a bad thing.
No, it's Friday. That's only a few more hours.
How long have you lived in Key West?
About 2.5 years.
About 2.5 years. How do you like it?
How do I like it?
Yeah.
Think Key West will give you everything that you ask for, and I know will take it all right back if you don't play your cards right. She'll give it all for you. It will all be there. But in a minute, man, in a minute, she'll take it away. And you don't even know what happened.
Yeah, I agree with you, man. It sounds very forgiving, but don't blink.
Right.
Because if you do and you fuck up, it's over.
And it's forgiving
It's very forgiving.
because it wasn't personal.
Yeah. Right.
It's out there for everybody to get. So
Yeah, everybody can have some.
equal opportunity
It's
city,
Yeah,
man.
man. I love this town for that reason.
Yeah.
Where did you move here from?
I moved here from Hollywood, Florida,
Yeah.
and I came here chasing a sailboat.
Chasing the sailboat.
I was hanging out on Father's Day, and it got to be later on that night on a boat with some friends. And this is my boat guy.
Yep.
And his son comes up from the deck. We've been drinking, smoking, eating all day. Hey, I found this free sailboat. He knew I wanted to live on a sailboat. We're like, yeah, whatever. He's like, no, look. And we looked at the ad. It was on Facebook. The guy was like 77 years old, and he was done with the life. He put the ad up in Facebook and on Craigslist, and he got more response than he was able to deal with. His phone going off, his getting texts, getting Facebook. It was too much for him. He answered 2 calls. The first call was some guy who came from Miami that looked at his boat, and he was a 77-year-old man, so his boat was garbage on the inside. And that turned the guy off, and he treated the old man like shit, so he was pissed. So when I talked to him, he didn't want to talk to anybody. He just bitched about that guy. And he said, listen, talked for him for 15 minutes. He's like, listen, there's one McDonald's at Key West. I'm there every morning at 7 o'clock. First one to the title gets the boat.
That's
I've been in Key West since the next morning at 7 o'clock. 15 minutes later, I gassed up.
Yep.
It was 10:45. By 3:30, I was in the parking lot of McDonald's in Key West, and I haven't left.
Good for you, man.
That's a real story.
That's a great story. So the boat, you still have the boat?
I don't have the boat, but I do have the boat.
Yeah, I got you.
It's sunk.
Uh-oh.
I was at work, and my bilge pump went out. I got some pictures from a friend of my mast above the water. So it was at that moment I knew that I lost everything.
Man.
So it was one of those things where you have nowhere to go.
Is it still on the bottom? Or did you raise it?
Still on the bottom. I'm going to work out this month how to pick it up. I got some things in the works. We're going to see, talk to a couple captains. If not pick it up this month, it's work on paying to pick it up because it's a little hefty of a price. So, but I have to do my due diligence. I didn't want to get a boat, come shit on the keys and be that guy. I got to do the right thing,
That'll be so awesome, though.
Yeah, but my little intermediate time right now is it's getting better, we'll say.
Good for you, man. You know what?
That's a real Key West
That's like
story,
a tragedy and a heartwarming story all at the same time.
Yeah.
That's a great story.
You know what? Listen, it's not even dejected me. I had it, you have your bumps because you lost everything.
Absolutely.
But I still smile about Key West.
No, like you pay.
If it happened somewhere shittier, it would have been crushing.
Yeah.
Well, it happened here. It's forgiven.
Yeah. She forgives you.
I have to forgive.
Gotta learn how to play with her, and she'll play with your back. It'll be good. Yeah, I can't wait, man. It's a great story. Hey, listen, I know you said you were only for a minute, so I'm gonna ask you one last question.
All right, give it to
And then let you go.
Give it to
But you got a beautiful person waiting on you. My last question to you is, if you were a pizza, what kind of pizza would you be?
Wow.
Huh?
Wow, man, there's a lot of flavor there. There's a lot to get into.
Coming from this dapper gentleman over here.
Wow, if I were a pizza, what kind of pizza would I be?
What kind of pizza would you be?
The kind of pizza that I would be the pizza of a magical dough.
Oh.
And the reason why my dough would be a magical dough is because anybody who ate my dough would not suffer from diabetes and the problems that pizza gives you. So it would taste incredible and leave you guiltless and not affect your body. Now that I got that out of the way and I could enjoy, I'd be a sausage, I'd be an already rendered bacon, ricotta, caramelized onions, and broccolini. And the broccolini is cooked with some garlic and some roasted red pepper.
Wow. You're fucking a plethora of flavors right there.
Yeah, and you want to drizzle that at the end with a little balsamic glaze because you have all that meat. You need a little bit of syrup just to balance out that.
Absolutely.
You know, that's it. That's the pizza.
That's Tim. This guy's got a pizza for us. Boy. He's a bit of a foodie without saying he's a bit of a foodie. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
That's why we come here to get our veggie, man, because we know.
Bless you.
Angelina's, guys, you're at T West. Listen, don't do it. Don't waste your time.
Just come on down here.
Come in, hang out.
Yeah.
And just be patient.
That's right.
You gotta wait for good shit.
That's right. Hey, well, on behalf of my guests and my crew here at TB Tim, thank you so much for sitting and talking to me. I appreciate it.
Many blessings.
Have a fantastic night. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Good night.
Hey, Tim, blessings to you too, man.
Yeah. TB Tim.